Alright, so this is how you do the digital breakout. So here on the first page when you open it, if you scroll down, you notice you have a series of locks to open. This one right here is a 4-digit. It's going to take 4 numbers. Think like a combination lock on a locker. This one takes 3 letters. This one says it takes 3 letters, and they're going to be north, south, east, or west. Now, when we did it earlier today, it actually took 4 letters, north, south, east, or west, so you might try 4. This one takes 8 letters. It doesn't spell a real word, so it's going to be just 8 letters that you put in there, and it's going to spell a real word. So, how you get the information. Up here at the top, this opens various screens for you. This one is the Gold Rush Roots, so you're going to look at this item, and one of the lock combinations is in that item. Over here, this is the discovery of gold. One of the locks is in this information about the discovery of gold, and in the Gold Rush video, one of the locks is unlocked with the information from the video. So I gave my kids in the class a hint. So if you watch the video, you're going to answer these 3 questions. The answers, if you notice, are letters, so that means you're going to end up with 3 letters. Going back over here, one of the locks takes 3 letters, so the answer for this lock is up here in the Gold Rush video. Once you answer those 3 questions, those 3 letters become this answer. Now, if you type it in and your answer is wrong, it's going to give you this exclamation point. So if you put in a correct answer, it won't give you the exclamation point. It's not going to turn green or anything, it just won't have the exclamation point. What else can I tell you? When you get all done, it's going to give you a screen that says, hey, you unlocked the puzzle. So back over here, if you'll notice at the very bottom, there's a submit button right here. If you submit it and it's correct, it's going to give you this. You unlocked the puzzle, you found the thief, and you're going to take a screenshot of this, and then you're going to upload it to Canvas. So in Canvas and the digital Gold Rush screen, you should have where it says upload. Yours looks different than mine. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can give you this. Hang tight for a second. Alright, so you have the Gold Rush Digital Breakout. When you click on it, you should have the Submit Assignment. Right? So when you open the link, you're going to read through, you're going to get your codes, and then you're going to push Submit, and when it's correct, you're going to upload this for your assignment. By the way, since you've been gone, I figured out how to put emojis on everything, so you can guarantee I'm going to use those way too much.